Okay, so I'm going to show you how to Sysprep a machine or use Sysprep. So it's basically system prepare. It's going to strip an existing OS of all identity of IDs like hardware, if it's tied to any hardware, so that you can install it on pretty much any machine you want. So just open Explorer. So install Brave, so you can actually make an image of this. So it strips all that away, but it keeps the software intact. So just go to Windows and then System 32, and then down here you'll see Sysprep, and run Sysprep. So you want to select the enter system out of the box experience, so you can have that whole initial startup screens where you choose your language and all that stuff. And then generalize, this is actually stripping all the IDs away so that you can install it on any system. If you don't do this, it's not going to do that, and you might run into problems. So you can choose here to reboot, shut down, or quit. I'm just going to quit. It will quit out of Sysprep and not restart the machine. So let's do it. And there it goes. So we'll wait till that finishes, take a while, and then we can move on to the next step. DISM is the next step. Good.